Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix weather app not updating Windows 11. Access settings from start. There, go to apps and then to installed app. Locate the weather app. Click on the three dots and choose advanced options. Then in background apps permissions, set the option Power Optimized. Go down a little and then click on Repair. Wait for the application to be repaired. You can open the weather application to see its correct operation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.